is Jim, and this is our very first investment property in Welland, and my friend Koukun here has sold it to us. We're really excited about this. It's a totally new venture for us. I myself have been in the construction industry for about 12 years. We have a kitchen business and we do new cabinetry as well as refacing. So we thought it's about time now we kind of diversify and get into something else. And with Koukun's help, we were able to procure this semi-detached home in Welland for a good price. Apparently there were about 10 other bids, and because of his secret sauce recipe, which I won't really say on camera, we were able to get this place. Really excited. We were able to get it literally $1,000 over asking, which in a market like this is very difficult to achieve. I'm standing here in the kitchen, and this is one of the first things that we're going to tackle as soon as we get a chance to. We're actually going to reface this kitchen because the insides are pretty good. The bones of the kitchen are pretty good. It's just that the doors and the outsides are a little dated, so we're going to be changing all the doors here, paneling up the sides. We're going to go with a white kitchen. And we're also going to change the countertop, possibly get into quartz or a really good quality laminate countertop and make it really pop, make it look nice and fresh, because we want our tenants to be happy and we want them to feel like it's their own home. And so whatever we can do, we're going to do to achieve that. So the plan, if you can see here, there's a staircase. The plan is to remove the staircase, divide the property into upper level and a separate basement, a legal basement. And we're gonna actually have the washer dryer, a stacked washer dryer in this space in the next few weeks. And this will serve as the upper levels washer dryer station, really. So let's come down and we'll show you some more. So that's the separate entrance that we have coming in. There's going to be a washer dryer. Actually, if you turn around right here, a washer dryer right here, and then a closet right here. And then turning over to this area, we're going to be putting in a brand new kitchen. So brand new kitchen's going to go all along this wall. It's a pretty generous sized kitchen, which is also going to fit into a very generous sized living area. So this is a really nice and open living area. Big windows. The windows we're going to change, put some new ones there, and this is above grade there. So there's a lot of light coming in. Always a good thing when you have tenants. One bathroom here. The bathroom, a toilet, shower, and a sink here. And then as we go down, about 4 steps down, which is not too bad, we have this little foyer, and then that leads to one bedroom here, which is a pretty nice sized bedroom. We're going to be cutting a hole in the wall. This is the front of the house, and there's going to be a nice large window that's going to be right here. It's going to let a lot of light in, which is great. There's a little closet space here, and there's a storage behind here, which is pretty grungy right now, but it's going to be cleaned up and it's going to be looking nice once it's done. And right here is where we're going to actually construct the second bedroom, believe it or not. It's a little narrow, but it's very long, and the water heater and the furnace, everything is going to be moved to this end. The washer dryer, of course, are going 4 steps above behind this wall over here. So, that's going to be out of the way, and everything's going to be neatly tucked into a utility room. So there's a nice amount of space for the second bedroom. We're also going to be making this tiny window over here. We're going to be cutting in and we're going to make it pretty large so it lets in a lot more light, and it looks more like an above ground area to live in. And I think that's about it. Well, there's one more little thing here. So there's a cold room which we're going to be turning into a fully finished area. It's going to be insulated, and this is going to be the closet for this room. So every room will have a nice, very generous sized closet, which really helps and works out. So I think that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and good luck out there.